大家好，我是专注碳素行业38年的碳素工程师李向军，这是我唯一的账号，欢迎大家点赞收藏，了解更多行业干货信息。
This is the porous crucible molding system I designed and built over at Xiangjun Carbon. The exterior orifices of the crucible were manufactured in a single process. Just look at how brilliantly polished that column is. Ever since I got Xiangjun Carbon in Xiangjun to start using a 1,500-ton vertical press to make single-hole crucibles back in 2015, that's been the way carbon companies across China have been producing their single-hole crucibles. It's really caught on. As for the crucibles used for purifying negative electrode materials, there's still no industry standard for those yet. At the factories here in China, the crucibles we make typically only last around 3 uses. But the porous crucibles I've designed and pressed can be processed much more efficiently. We can get 4 to 6 uses or more out of them. Every step of the process I've designed for crushing, screening, batching, mixing, insulating, and crucible pressing allows us to achieve 100% premium quality with 0 defects. If your company needs this kind of high-performance process, feel free to reach out to us.
现场也开始干了。
点击主页联系我。